I got 45% growth with a drawdown of only 3% on EURUSD by using the scalping machine. It's an amazing report. In this video, I will show you all reports and results. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen. Here you can see the scalping machine and your USD with a 5-minute time frame and all these settings. Again, I am using all the reports with the purpose of using on the $200, maybe an ECN account or maybe an Ascent account, no matter, but I will be optimizing everything for $200 and the leverage is 2000. I am using this high leverage which is 2000 just to reduce the margin while trading. And now let's move to the optimization results, and here the optimization process is already completed and the highest profit I got is $89.56 and the highest recovery factor is 10.77. This means the profit is 10 times higher than its drawdown. Now I will simply right click on it and single test. Here you see in the graph how the trading start and how it is growing or drawdown. Let's see. The single test is completed and here you see how nicely the graph is going up. I love this kind of graph. For more details, we will go into the backtest tab here and you will see the history quality is 100%. The total net profit is $89 with a drawdown of only $8, like 3% drawdown and 45% total net profit. Total number of trades are 396 with the win ratio of 67% in the last 3 years. And the most important is, let's move down here on the profit and losses by month. In the GBP USD, we see some other months are in losses, but here in the Euro USD, these months are in profit and the other month are in losses. That's why I strongly recommend to use this bot on at least 5 or 7 pairs at the same time. By using these highly optimized input settings, you can download these set files from the www.tradingbotlab.com website, but you need to join the VIP membership. You will have two different options. The one is free, the other one is paid, and yes, both have the same thing. You will get the same things for the VIP membership no matter you join for free or for paid. The difference is you need to join under our recommended broker, so the broker will pay us commission and we will continue working, because you may know the optimization process is performed on the high-end computers and it uses a lot of resources. That's why I cannot afford it to offer you 100% free of cost. That's why I launched these two options, free and paid. If you don't want to switch your broker, you can simply pay a $97 monthly membership fees and you will be able to download everything. For VIP members, there is no limit on the download. Now let's move more down. Here are a few other things. You can stop the video here and read all these values. Let's check the input settings. Here are all these input settings which are only available for VIP members. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.